Welcome to the Metals Investment Forum. It's my great pleasure to have Goldstorm here. It's first time to present at Metals Investment Forum. Welcome, Chris.
Thank you very much, Chen, for having us.
Great. I mean, the Goldstorm is a spin-off of Tutor, right, which is a well-established, well-known company, and last bull market in more than tenfolded.
Basically. Yeah, that's right. So Goldstorm is a new company. It was spun out of Tutor Gold 3 years ago. And the reason it was spun out was to give investors leverage to two properties that are within the Golden Triangle and do host underexplored mineral belts, which host 100 million ounces of gold, 20 billion pounds of copper, and 400 million ounces of silver. So they're quite significant. We believe that the trend along the Crown property and the Electrum are very prospective, and we're looking to do another exploration program to lead to a new discovery.
Wow, excellent. Yeah, I've been to Golden Triangle a few times, as we discussed before, mostly to Pretty to Valley of King. That's an amazing discovery, very high-grade electrum. And then you have electrum on your property as well.
Yes, we do. Our electrum property, which is just south of Valley of the Kings, it's about 10 kilometers away. We've drilled that a couple times over the past years. Some of the grades are, 2 meters of 2 ounces of gold, 400 grams per ton silver. So, what we're doing right now is we initialized a new drill program at Electrum, and which will start this weekend. We announced 6 holes of 1,200 meters, and we're going to look at increasing the footprint of the high-grade stockwork that right now exists at Electrum.
Well, excellent. If people follow Britain now, it's part of eventually Newcrest and Newmont, right? One of the cornerstone of Newmont company, very, very profitable mine. I've been to there. They have, electrum as high as a kilogram per ton gold. It's amazing. You can have. So hopefully you can hit it out of the park this summer.
Yeah, that's what we're hoping to do. The geologist that discovered Valley of the Kings is Ken Conkin. He's the president and CEO of our company, Goldstorm Metals, and he's done it a couple times in the Golden Triangle. Discovered Valley of the Kings. He seems to see some similarities, with mineralization at Electrum, and that's really the reason why we're drilling that again this year. Is to create a short-term catalyst for our investors, but also, see if we can trip into one of those high-grade intercepts that he was so fortunate to discover up at Valley of the Kings.
Valley of the Kings, that instant become a billion-dollar company. With that discovery, so hopefully we'll repeat. Maybe that's a good juncture. You seem to have a very experienced management team. Maybe you tell investors the management team.
So the company's led, as I mentioned, by Ken Conkin. He's the president and CEO. Not only did he discover Valley of the Kings, but he also discovered the Goldstorm deposit at Tutor Gold, a Treaty Creek project, and that was in 2019 when he started with Tutor Gold, and he's credited with turning the drills around, going the other way, tripping into some incredible intercepts of kilometers worth of a gram per ton gold. And the rest is history. The stock went from 50 cents to over $5 within a few months, and the company is now about a $500 million market cap, and has a resource estimate of 21 million ounces of gold, 3 billion pounds of copper, and 140 million ounces of silver. So that's something that we're trying to replicate with Goldstorm Metals.
Wow, great. That's at least you have the experience, the management team experience here to make another big discovery.
Yeah, that's right. And time will tell, and we'll continue to drill at Electrum and our Crown property, which we are right now prepping for its first ever drill program by the company, and we anticipate that to begin next spring in 2026.
2026 for the next For which target?
For the Crown target.
Crown target. Okay,
Yeah.
but this year is for Electrum.
For this year, it's Electrum.
Electrum target. So that's good. So Electrum is a high grade, can be extremely high grade. And then you're drilling right now. This weekend, right? This
weekend we start drilling. So we anticipate the drill program to probably run for the next 4 weeks, and then we'll results probably in a couple months, and we'll see how we do.
All right, well, good.
We're targeting high grade gold and silver.
High grade gold and silver. Well, good. This is a good area to look for.
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah, can you also tell more about the management team, board of directors, and then their expertise?
Yeah, so the board of directors, we have a really good team led by Helmut Finger. He's a German investor. He runs Tudor Holdings, which is the late fund of Walter Storm that owns about 15% of Goldstorm Metals. He has excellent contacts in Europe. We have Ronnie Stoffela as well.
He's a good friend of mine.
Yes, he is. Yeah, he's very, very good director for Goldstorm Metals.
Yeah.
And Tudor Gold.
Tudor Gold. Yeah, he's on board on both.
He's on both boards.
Yeah.
He's a portfolio manager for Incrementum, and also writes the In Gold We Trust.
In Gold We Trust. That's a very famous report. Yeah, then I highly recommend every investor to read that. They publish every monthly in different languages, including German.
Yeah. So yeah, I mean, we've got a great team, and that's going to definitely help us in terms of making another discovery on Goldstorm's properties. You need a team to be able to create success, and that's what's going to help us in the next few months here.
Oh, excellent. Maybe you tell us what your share structure looks like, and what's your working capital is right now at this moment.
So we currently have a share structure of about 100 million shares out right now. Our last share price I believe was 30 cents. And our working capital is about $1.4 million.
Oh, okay, good. So right now you have 30 something million.
Yeah, about a $30 million market cap.
30 million Canadian market cap.
That's correct.
Okay, so in any kind of small recovery, any kind of significant, not necessarily very big, but significant hit, a lot of companies go to 100 million. We'll see. It's a forward-looking statement, but we'll see what you have in the drilling program.
I mean, this management team has been here. They've made a discovery. They've gone, for example, Tudor Gold going from 50 cents to $5. So this is something that we're looking to replicate with Goldstorm.
Wow, that's good. That's good. So for investors, especially new investor, looking forward will be the drilling result this year, right? So will be next few months. You will have the Electrum high grade target, I would say, drilling results. That's this year, and then next year you will try to replicate the Tudor.
Yeah, that's correct. So we'll have consistent news flow out for the company. So the Electrum property, the drill program, and the Crown property, we're going to have the results out for the sampling that we've completed during the summer, the IP and the MT programs, and the targeting that we're going to look at in the spring of 2016 or 2026. I'm sorry. So yeah, there's a lot of things that are going on with Goldstorm Metals, and a lot of things to look out for.
Okay, great. Well, good luck. Right now, again, it's $30 million company, and their sister company, Tudor, is $500 million. So that's the direction we're looking. Hopefully, next year we'll invite you back. You will be much bigger company then.
Yeah, thank you very much for the invitation to this great conference. And we look forward to the next one.
Okay, great. Thank you.
Thank you.